magazine with 2 and only 2 rounds. And you got another magazine here. String 6, load 3 rounds max in pistol. Start back to targets. Turn and fire 1 shot at each T1 through T3. Reload from slide lock and fire 1 shot at each T1 through T3. You ready? Stand by.
I'm watching you.
99 seconds. String 7, draw and fire 2 shots at each T1 through T3, strong hand only.
I can take much
shots
more
total.
time than I'm taking and still shoot a good score.
Get ready, stand by. If you are finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide down, hammer down, holster. Holster. Range is safe. Now you can get